In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language preferences in Airtable Localization Settings 2026. If you're collaborating across regions or you just prefer a different interface language, updating this setting takes less than a minute, and I'll guide you through it from start to finish. First, open your browser and head to the Airtable website. You can do this on desktop or laptop. The steps are the same. If you aren't signed in yet, log into your account. Use your usual method, whether that's email and password or a single sign-on provider. Once you're in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard where you can see your workspaces and bases. Look to the top right corner of the dashboard for your profile icon. This might show your initials or an avatar image. Click that icon to open a small menu. From that drop-down, choose Language Preferences. This opens the Localization Settings panel for your account. Here you'll see the available options. In 2026, Airtable typically offers Automatic, English, US, Francais, Dutch, and Espanol. Automatic will follow your browser or system language, which is handy if you move between devices or regions. Selecting a specific language locks the interface to that choice, so your menus, buttons, and prompts consistently appear in that language. Go ahead and click the language you want. The interface may refresh or briefly reload, and then your dashboard, sidebars, and settings will display in the language you selected. There's no save button required. Your selection takes effect immediately. If the change doesn't appear right away, just refresh the page once. A couple of helpful notes as you use this. This setting controls the Airtable interface only. It doesn't translate the content inside your bases, like field names, records, or descriptions that you or your team created. Also, it's a personal preference, so each teammate can choose a language that works best for them without affecting others in the same workspace. If you ever want to switch back, repeat the same path. Open the profile menu, choose Language Preferences, and pick a different option. Automatic is a good fallback if you often switch operating systems or browsers. On mobile, the wording and placement may vary slightly, but the language preference is tied to your account, so changes you make on desktop carry over after you sync. And that's it. You've updated your Airtable language preferences quickly and confidently.